Well, we just finished Keswick Park Run, probably one of the most scenic park runs that we've done. The weather wasn't great, but anyway, check this video out and see how we got on. It's Saturday, it's pissing down, we're in the Lake District, it's park run.
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you know.
We're about a mile in. It's pretty covered actually, so we're not getting as wet as we thought we were going to do. Milo's having a good old bark. There's some people running the other way already, so pretty fast paced this course. So anyway, some great scenery. But anyway, we'll see you in a bit. Halfway point, doing well. Rain stopped a little bit actually, I'd say, but 1.5 miles to go. How are you feeling, Stick? He says he's feeling good, so am I. Let's go. Got about a mile to go. The rain stopped. Everyone's in a good rhythm. It's been a brilliant park run. Totally flat, loads of different scenery, bridges, rivers, tunnels, a lot. I'm glad we did it. See you at the end.